simply I'm telling you that I'm going to create a feedback form, right? And I'm going to activate that feedback form. So the first step, I have to create database. Click on this WAMP icon, and from here I have to select PHP my admin. PHP my admin. PHP my admin selected, right? And now watch it out. This is PHP my admin. This is home. Different icons are available here. Click here. Databases, already you are having the information schema, MySQL, PHP my admin, and test. All these databases are built-in databases, right? I would like to create my own database. So what is this? Create new database. Here I'm going to write, for example, MyDB. MyDB selected. Select it, right click, copy this name, and click on create here. What it's saying? Database MyDB has been created. Now watch it out here. MyDB, and in front of MyDB in the brackets written 0. Mean to say MyDB database having 0 tables. Now minimize it. My computer, C drive, WAMP, www. Here create a folder. And what should be the name of this folder? MyDB. So watch carefully towards the step. If you are going to skip a single step, you will not be able to understand this thing. MyDB created here. The same name is that name of database, right? Now inside the database, mean to say MyDB, in front of this in the brackets written 0, mean to say 0 tables are there. Inside this I am going to create a table. So it's asking create new table on database. Name. What should be the name of table? For example, I am writing here, this is feedback. Number of fields. How many fields you require? 5. I need 5 fields here. Simply click, write 5 here and click on go, proceed. Now the first field is F name. Here I'm going to write feedback name. Name is, its type is varchar. Is used to write text in excess. Here you are having varchar, right? And length or value, I'm writing here, for example, name. For name I'm going to take 50 characters. After that, next one I'm having subject. I'm writing here F subject or FSUB. F stands for feedback, right? You can write any name here. Varchar. Okay, this is also 50. Next, F email. F email. Varchar, and this one as well I'm going to write 50. And after that, F country, varchar, and 50. And the last one here I'm having F comments, varchar, and here I'm going to write 100. Length or value 100 characters, right? And simply click on save. Now watch MyDB, and in front of MyDB in the brackets written 1, and of course I'm having this feedback table created. Click on this feedback and check the table. F name, F sub, F email, F country, F comments. Why F I have written here with this? This is not necessary, just I have written. Mean to say belongs to feedback, that's why I have written F here. Minimize. After that, what's the next step? These 2 steps I performed. Sorry, this one as well I performed. That in the C drive WAMP www, create a folder, and the folder name must be as that name of database, right? After that, manage the site using Dreamweaver. Okay, open Dreamweaver. Dreamweaver open. From here I have to select PHP. From here I have to select PHP right now. PHP selected. Now manage the site. Site. Manage sites. Click on new. Then again click on site. I'm having this one window. Or you can do like this as well. Watch. You can do like this as well. Site. Directly click on new site. The same window you are having here. Either site, click on new site, or site, click on manage site, then new, and here site. Is this clear? Now site, new site. Yeah. What would you like to name your site? What should be the name of your site? The same. MyDB should be the name of my site. What is the HTTP address? The same. HTTP:// the same MyDB I'm going to write here as well. Next, do you want to work on a server technology like ColdFusion, ASP.NET, JSP or PHP? Yes, I want to use the server technology. Which one server technology? From here I'm going to select PHP MySQL. The last one, select it. Next. Now here I am having three options. Second option is saying edit locally then upload to remote testing server. Mean to say I will make it here and after that I will upload to some server and there I will check. Do I have server, remote server right now? No. Again the last option, edit directly on remote testing server using local network. Do my computer connected to any network? No. Check the first option, edit and test locally. My testing server is on this computer. So of course my testing server, I install the web server here. Select the first option. Selected, and where I have saved that one folder, where I created that one folder, my computer, C drive, WAMP, inside WAMP www, and this is my DB. Click on select. C WAMP www, where is that my DB folder? My DB folder is not available here, so paste from your own side. Next, how you will run your file? HTTP localhost, and then what? After that I will have my DB here as well again. Test URL. Okay. Next. Again it's asking, I'm using a remote server. No, I'm not using remote server. Simply click on no and next and done. That's it. This one step completed. Fourth step completed. After that, what's the next step? Create a form. And I think so you people are expert in this. Insert, form, form inserted. Inside the form, insert table. I need a table of 7 rows and 2 columns of width. Let's say this is 500 pixels. Okay. Table selected. Alignment, center. All cells selected. Horizontal alignment left, vertical alignment top. First row selected, merge. Last row selected and merge. Here alignment, center, control 1. Here I am writing feedback. Name, next one. Subject, next one. Email, then country, and the last one. Comments. Okay, now in front of name, insert form and text field. In front of subject, insert form and text field. In front of email, insert form, again text field. And in front of country, insert form, list or menu. Now there is nothing inside this. Click, and from here I'm having list values. Right here, Afghanistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Pakistan, Hong Kong. Click on OK. And at the end here, in front of comments, insert form and text area. OK. Click on this text area. Character width, for example, I need 40, and number of lines to be displayed 3. And here in the last row, first of all, alignment to center, and after that insert form. One button inserted. One more button I need. Insert form. One more button I needed. The first one is submit, and right here send, and for the next one reset, and right here this is reset. Okay, and value is clear. Up here clear. Okay, simply I'm going to click the table and change its background color. For example, this is the background color. Save it, Control S. Automatically that my DB location selected. You have to save it inside my DB. So let's say this is my send.php. Send.php, this is the name, right? This one step completed. Create a form as required. Now I have to make connection with the database. So what I have to do? Inside the window, what I'm having here? Database. Database clicked. Now here is the database. Click on this plus. MySQL connection. Now connection name, any name you can write here. I'm going to write here proper name CN for connection. Server name, localhost, username root, no password, and now from here select database, select MyDB selected, click on OK and click on test. Met successfully, OK and OK here as well. This one step as well done. Now from application, watch it out. What's this? Common. By default you will have common here. You have to click here and from here select application. From here you have to select application. By default here you will have common. From here you have to select application. Application selected. Now go forward and what's this? Insert record. You are not supposed to click directly on this. You have to click on this arrow. Arrow clicked and click on the last option, the second one, insert record. Now watch. This red line visible to all of you? Yes. This is your form 1. What is connection? Click here and if you remember I created a connection by the name of CN. CN selected. Now using this connection you are going to insert record inside which one table? Automatically feedback selected from here. Now watch. Columns. Fname is the name of column inside database. Fsub is the name of column inside database. Femail, Fcountry, Fcomments, all of them are the columns inside the database. Now Fname will get value from where? From this one text box. Where is this text box? From here select that the first one text box. For the next one, from here select the second one, form.textfield2, this one. The third one, this is form.textfield3. Watch. For email select the third one. For country select this one, form.select. And for comments select which one? The last, form.text area. Text area represent this one. And after inserting, go to which one page? The same page. What's the name of this one page? Send.php. And done. Bas. Save it now. Send.php having static here, mean to say changes made and I haven't saved the changes. Changes saved. Now run this file. From where I have to run? Minimize. Click on this web icon. Localhost. Scroll down. MyDB clicked. Inside MyDB I am having send.php. Send.php click. Here I am having the feedback form. Here I am going to write test@yahoo.com. Any country selected, comments written, and click on send. One record, second record. For example, I am writing here Jamal. Subject test. Jamal@kamal.com. Country India. Comments written, and click on send. How many records I saved? 2 records. Okay, let me check the records. Where are those records saved? Again click here. Click on this web icon and from here click on phpMyAdmin. phpMyAdmin clicked. Inside which one database I've saved my data? MyDB. Inside MyDB in the feedback table, click on this feedback table and click on browse. First record and this is the second record. Again I'm going to make entry of one more record. Check it out here. For example, this is Abdullah. Subject, no subject. Okay, or he is writing Abdullah here as well. Abdullah@abdullah.com. He belongs to India, not from Afghanistan. No comments. No comments and click on send. Right? And now again here is the window. Click on browse. Scroll down. Abdullah@abdullah.com. India and no comments. This thing clear? Yeah. Have a practice on this. Just clicks are there. Clicks. Nothing else. You are not going to write anything. Right? And let me tell you here in the record as well. It's going to record. In the next class, I'm going to take test of this thing. You have to create database, you have to create feedback form, and you have to create a page which will make entry inside the database. Right? Okay. Next week we are having class. See you inshallah after 1 week. Thank you so much.